What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I'm so excited to be here with you guys today because we're kicking off our house reno series. All right. So, guys, we've been able to get our hands on a property, not our property, but this is a property that needs some fixing up. So, we got some contents for you guys. I know people might be wondering how is it that some people get a mansion from a quad, or how some people get a palace from a dungeon. Well, we're going to show you in this series because, guys, I'm telling you, this place was a mess. All right. I don't need to explain much what a mess is, but we'll definitely show you exactly what we're talking about. And big up to Sammy, who was the contractor, the designer, the runner, everything. We did a lot of DIYs in this project as well. It was not a big project, but I think it's worth sharing. You can't write off something because of how it looks now. You have to give it a chance and see what will come out of it. So we went into this place, guys, and we saw oil all over the place. Place was greasy. We had missing tiles. We had broken doors. We had broken cupboards. We had broken pipes. So many things needed fixing in this place. We couldn't take on everything, but we did the best that we can. So let's get right into this series, guys. I hope you guys find it to be interested. I hope you like the content. And if you do, don't hesitate to give us a like. Remember to share the video. And if you have not yet done so, please go right ahead and subscribe to the channel. So let's get right into what this place is looking like, and then we will take it from there. All right. So there you have it, guys. You've seen it for yourselves. I've warned you. The place was dark. Tell me something. Where have you ever seen nails in the side of a cupboard to hang things? Where have you ever seen grease running from a plug? Guys, like I said, this place was a mess. As you can see, there's a lot of work to be done, but don't worry about it. We went straight to the hardware. We got some stuff and we are ready to take on the project. So, here what? Just run along with us to the hardware and then let's see what we can grab today to start the work tomorrow. So, let's go.
No. So guys, alright, thank you. Hardware run, guys. We start the process. Might show a little renovation. What are you putting in your pocket? So, get the painting stuff. Then I gotta forget tiles. But, yeah. I'm not gonna do the hardware thing, yeah. Guys, I never remember for video when I was selecting tiles. But I'm waiting on them to bring them out now. So, look like hardware is my place to go nowadays. Anywhere, any hardware. So yeah, waiting on my stuff. I do the selecting and the guys do the lifting, right?
Don't put me on a video.
You don't have no choice. I say, oh, I get so much. Yeah, in them take out that one. So, yeah. Check everything before and then put it in the van. While it's the van pressured. But yeah, put it on a bucket. Uh-oh. Good, put them properly. Good. Let's see, I can buy taxis. Eh? Look at this. That's the normal. Watch. Hello.
listen, if somebody did tell me, say, I saw materials expensive, would I say a lie? Well, yeah, would I say a lie? But anyways, we got some stuff. We're ready to start our renovations. I don't know how long this is going to take, but stick around for the journey, guys. Stick around. Remember, you don't want to miss out. I've seen dumps being transformed into beautiful places. Like I've started the video, we have palace from dungeons, we have mansions from quads. So let's see what we will get out of this project. And guys, I can tell you, Sammy is not for the foolishness. She went and she picked out her colors. She found some tiles. So it's just for the work now to begin to see where we will end up. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss the next episode of our renovation series. And hear what? It's a journey. ChriSamz is all about the journey. So guys, thank you for starting the journey. So just continue and then we will see where we will end up. So thank you guys so much for watching our first episode, and we will catch you in episode number 2 of our first ever. First, because there can be more after this. So this is our first ever house renovation series, and we thank you guys for being a part of the journey. So, only ever see nail in our side of cupboard yet? Eh? Comment down below and tell us. But I've never seen it until this one. So take care, guys. Until the next video.